Hey, if you're looking at buying a home or making another large purchase that will require a loan, I want to remind you that you can get a free copy of your credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus. And right now, you can get one free every week because of the ongoing pandemic. So I want to take a minute, talk to you a little bit about that, and give you some tips. So there are a variety of companies out there that claim to offer you a free credit report. uh, Here's the one that you're going to want to look for: annualcreditreport.com. Annualcreditreport.com is the only site that is authorized by federal law. The federal government used to be that you could get one report from each of the bureaus each year, one report per year per reporting bureau. Because of the pandemic that came out a couple of years ago when this first started, and said, hey, we want to make sure that people can get a copy of the report each week so they can monitor their credit. So now, as of right now, until further notice, you can get a one free weekly online credit report from each bureau. So I'm going to encourage you to go annualcreditreport.com. Again, there are other sites that say that they offer a free report. This is the one that's authorized by federal law, so check that out. You can also get your score here. Now, the report is just the stuff that's going to tell you what's been reported to the credit or bureaus. What kind of accounts do you have? Mortgages, credit cards, car loans, student loans. All of those things are reported as you make payments or don't make payments. So you can get on there and see what's been reported to the credit bureaus. And then that stuff that's reported impacts your score. So it's two different components: the score and the reported items about your credit. So the credit report is free. You can buy the credit scores if you choose to. Each company has their own cost for that, ranging somewhere from $7 to up to $20 to purchase your credit score. And again, they have different features and fun things surrounding that. But again, you can get your credit report for free. You can add on the score if you like. Why is it important to look at your report? You want to know if there are mistakes on there. The bureaus have made it very easy, if you find an error, to report an error, allow them to review that and try and fix your report. Any errors can negatively impact your credit score, which can impact if you can get a loan, and if you can get a loan, what your rate or what your cost is. Insurance companies are now looking at these reports and these scores as well. So it's very important to stay on top of those. And of course, we all know identity theft is rampant in our country. So again, very key, very important. Take a look at your credit report. You can get them for free. So why not do it? Annualcreditreport.com. Now, there is a website called Credit Karma. They do a lot of marketing, and so you may have heard of it. They report, or they offer, what they call a free credit score. In the past, those scores haven't been very accurate. Now they have more of a partnership with the credit bureaus. They do not issue a FICO score, but they issue a Vantage score, which some of the credit bureaus started to use as well. So your credit score may not be identical if you get it directly from the credit bureaus versus getting it from Credit Karma, but they should be close. It should give you a rough idea of where you stand. Credit Karma, just for the record, they're going to ask you for specific information about yourself, personal information, spending habits, and then where do they make their money? They typically are going to share that information with firms who are going to advertise to you. If you make a purchase through one of their preferred partners, that's how Credit Karma gets paid. So just be aware of that. You can get a credit score for free through Credit Karma. They're going to offer you some educational information about credit and how to improve your credit, but just know they're making money on back end through advertising partners and direct marketing to you. So 3 steps here. First of all, get your free credit report. Make sure you know what's in your report, what's being reported to the credit bureaus. Number 2, search for errors. If there are errors, each company will tell you how to report those. It's a lot of, click on a button online, fill out some information, and they can review those and help you correct any errors on your report to help make your report healthy. And then number 3, decide if the score is worth it. Do you want to know your score? If you're making a purchase or you're planning to make a large purchase in the next several months, you might want to know what your score is. So it might be worth paying for it or signing up for Credit Karma's free score. If you're not making any large purchases soon, then you may not be worth paying for it, but just know that the option is there. As always, if you have questions on your credit, if you have questions on a mortgage, or you're looking to buy a home, we want to be your one-stop shop for all of your real estate needs. We want to help you live and thrive where your home is. So reach out to us, 812living@gmail.com, 812living@gmail.com, or visit us online at 812livinggroup.com. Thanks.